Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फैटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेन स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। इजी टू फॉलो, स्लो और कंट्रोल बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है आर्म सर्कल्स। इसमें याद रखें दैट कीप योर आर्म्स एज स्ट्रेट एज यू कैन एंड मेक बिग सर्कल्स, 8 in one direction, 8 in the opposite. Opposite. And relax. Upward arm stretch is up next. Breathe in as you lift your arms up. Breathe out as you drop them down. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is dynamic side dips. Lift both the arms up, bent at the elbows, holding the opposite elbow. Dip on either side. 8 repetitions on each side. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is wrist flexion to extension. Get your arms straight out in front of you. Drop and lift. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few neck movements, starting with neck left to right. Make sure that your shoulders stay relaxed throughout the movement. Up next, guys, head tilts. Up next, guys, head half circles in the downward direction. So starting over your left shoulder, drop down, up to the right, and change. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting good mornings. Go ahead and lift your arms up, hands on the side of the head, elbows open. Take a deep breath in, breathe out as you drop down, breathe in as you lift up. And relax. Up next, guys, is double leg knee tucks. Go ahead and put your hands on the side, balancing your torso without leaning back, keeping your back straight. Lift both the knees up and down. And relax. Up next, guys, is double leg extensions. Same position, hands on the side, back straight. Lift your heels up, keeping your knees stable. Extend your legs straight out and then back down. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sitting calf lifts. Go ahead and put your hands onto your knees, putting all the weight of your torso onto your knees. Lift your heels up and down. You'll feel a good stretch and resistance in your calves, and your legs lift up and down. You can synchronize your breathing. Take a deep breath in as you lift. Breathe out as you drop down. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Finally, guys, the last movement for today is ankle toe pull-ins and extensions. Go ahead and lift your left leg up, pull the toe in and extend it down. Change on the other side. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you are all warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time and it will truly get you sweating. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है उत्थित त्रिकोणासन, also known as the triangle pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Go ahead and open your legs nice and wide until you're comfortable. Right toe को बाहर की तरफ point करें. Take a deep breath in as you lift your arms. Breathe out, keeping your legs straight. Drop down all the way. You can rest your hand either on your leg or on the floor behind you. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in and relax. दूसरी तरफ भी रिपीट करेंगे the triangle pose. Legs nice and wide. Pointing your left toe out. Keeping both the knees locked. Deep breath in. Breathe out. As you fall down, bringing your right arm parallel to the ground. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अधोमुख स्वानासन, also known as the downward facing dog. इसे हम करेंगे start on all fours. Wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hip. Take a deep breath in. As you lift your knees off the ground, trying to touch your heels to the ground, back straight, push your head close in and hold. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है मत्स्य आसन, also known as the fish pose. इसे हम start करेंगे in the sitting position. Legs extended in front of you, hands behind your hip. Drop your elbows down. Tuck your hands underneath your back. Take a deep breath in and drop the top of your head down to touch the ground. Slowly come back up and relax. Guys, आज का हमारा आखिरी आसन है अष्टांगासन, also known as the eight-limbed pose. इसे हम start करेंगे on your knees. Hands down. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out as you lower your shoulders onto your hands. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के योगा आसन्स. अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है द लायंस ब्रेथ. इसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इन वज्रासन. ओपन योर नीज नाइस एंड वाइड. बैलेंस डाउन, फिंगर्स पॉइंटेड इन. डीप ब्रेथ इन थ्रू द नोज, आउट थ्रू द माउथ विद योर टंग हैंगिंग आउट. इसकी आप कर सकते हैं 10 to 20 breaths. गाइस, आज की हमारी नेक्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है इक्वल ब्रेथ। एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स, इसमें इनहेलेशन और एक्सहेलेशन इक्वल काउंट्स पर होगी। सो इफ योर इनहेलेशन इज टू द काउंट ऑफ 4, एक्सहेलेशन विल आल्सो बी टू द काउंट ऑफ 4, बोथ थ्रू द नोज। इसे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 मिनट्स तक। And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy, give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera YouTube channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!